All right, everybody. We're in a 9220 today, and I'm going to walk y'all through how to get to the codes and how to diagnose an FDH issue, the front driveline health issue, because I couldn't find any information on it. So first we move it from the fuse there, into F10 in your diagnostics. You'll pull up diagnostics on your screen there. If you do want to pull codes, you use your flash to pass here. You turn your turn signal to all, and you lift up on it like that, and it'll cycle through all of the codes. But since we're not leading that, because we're only looking for the front driveline health, we will turn the key off, turn it back on, and then if you just leave your turn signal on, it'll go all the way to, you get to FDH, which is front driveline health. So we will wait for this to cycle through. Well, you can go back one. Oh, I guess you can't. Okay. So then we gotta cycle back through. If you do miss it, just wait for the next cycle and it'll come back up. Now, pull up the flash to pass again, and then you'll be able to go into your deals. 01 is codes. We've already cleared this one out, but it did have FDH 001, which was your run out wrong. It ended up being a bad U-joint, but this is where I went through and learned everything. So FDH3 is your battery voltage. FDH4 is your ELX voltage, which is with key on. Address 5 is your last code stored by FDH, or by the control unit, which I'm going to cycle through this for y'all to see real quick. But these are all the codes you could have. So if it does come to that, this will give you the last code that it did have in that control unit for you to actually diagnose it the right way. Address 8 is your FDH valve power status, which we don't have the tractor on right now, so it doesn't have that. This is your how much current your relay is pulling, which that's in spec. FDH 11, FDH 10 is your sensor supply voltage underneath at your front drive line. It's showing 5, and then this is your signal voltage back, which should be right around, it's in the right spec there. This is a big one though. This is your proximity sensor distance, and you can shim it up or down from here. The gap has to be 6.5 to 9.5 millimeters. So 8.5 is right in that perfect range there. And then this one is your proximity sensor runouts. And this is where we were having our issue, because it was showing 1.5, and then whenever we're at road speed, it was jumping up to 4 millimeters. And the book is a little bit wrong on this, because it's saying that the spec should be 0.1 to 4. In all honesty, it should be tighter than that. We had a U-joint out, and after we replaced the U-joint, it was only at 0.02 to 0.3, or 0.2 to 0.3. So if you're having this is an easy way to see what's going on with that. So if you are having the issue, you'll be able to see it there. But I went through all the schematics and all that, sometimes it is just a mechanical issue. So check your U-joints. That's what this driveline health is for. And if you need any help with any of the schematics, I can send them to you. And we appreciate y'all.